This is code.org. We have code. Let's see if I can break it or run it or something. Oh, we can't. Oh, we don't. Okay, great. We got to head over to our backpack again. Hello, backpack. Click a poo, import. Now, guys, if you're missing stuff, it might be because you forgot to commit earlier on. However, code.org got your back. We could just click on this. I'm not going to. And it's over here. You can copy that. You can hit new file, right? Name it Painter Plus and paste that stuff in there. Regardless, we're good to go. Write the method signature for the print status. Cool. And we are pros at this point, correct? Yes, Mr. Kaiser. And we know a method signature, just like when you sign your name, has a method name. So public void method signature. I need to put the method's name in here. Print status. And I need my parentheses and my curly brace brackets. It's a hot issue. I like brackets actually. Don't hate me. You're not allowed. Anyways, all right. Print status. Okay. Inside the print status method, write the code to print information about the state of the Painter Plus object. Wow, that is shockingly little details. Thank you, guys. I mean, it explains what we need, but whoo, that's light on the details. What did they give us here? Printing to the console using the following. Oh, good, they did. Okay. So every programming language, well, yeah, that I'm aware of, assembly, has a way to print out stuff. This is our console, right? So if you're wondering what I'm doing or how it works, I'm going to throw something there that I'll need to get rid of. But look, system.out.print. Oh, and we're just doing print, not print line. That's cool. I do need to put it in quotes, and I'm going to say, hello, world. I know, I'm original. And end with that. Quapow. Look, we can write things. It's really exciting, right? You don't seem impressed. I mean, I can't see your face, so I'm assuming... Actually, I'm going to say you seem super impressed. Look. Okay, so let me delete all that. You get the point. We're going to use print, and we're going to print out our stuff to the console. Cool. So we know we need this method, or this system method. Make sure you use... what happened? Dot notation. System out dot print. Now, what are we going to print? What do they mean? Why isn't there more details? Well, hopefully you remember the slides from towards the beginning of Cleos. Pata. This, right? This was their example, and this gives us a huge hint of what we're going to need. We want the X location, Y location, and direction. And really, we can just do get X, get Y, get direction. Oh, and don't forget the paint. So we're getting stuff. Get my paint, get X, get Y, get direction. I'm going to slap down that in a note right now. I need to delete this, but so get X, get Y, get my paint, and get direction. And remember, these are all methods that were part of the painter class, right? They've told us this before, right? These are all the stuff in the painter class. So we just have access to those. Why? Because Painter Plus extends this painter class. We use super and we get access to all of the stuff that the painter could already do. So cool. I'll do paint, colon, and then we can put a plus here. This is called concatenation. It's where you take text from one thing, which is the word paint, and now I'm going to do, now I don't need to use dot notation. Keep in mind, we're inside the painter class. So we can just do get my paint here because we have access to all of the stuff that is extended, right? So we have access to this without dot notation just because we're within this class that is extending it. So this we'll show you, right? But system.out. Now keep in mind, let's go back down here. We have two options. So I did the print one. Let's throw down print L in, and now let's do, and by Y I mean X, X, location, boom, and we're going to use concatenation again. So after that parenthesis, we slap down a plus, and we can just do get X. Now what print ln should do is this should force it to print to a new line. This will just print it out. Let's go ahead actually and test what we have. So I'm just going to throw it down right here just to test it for now. Let's see what it does. Notice paint is 0, X location, so it's all smashed together, right? And that's because that first one, we didn't use the new line. So it looks like we're definitely going to use that. Boom, boom. All right, now let me slap down these other two. Okay. And now all of these should be on a new line. Keep in mind it's concatenation, right? So that's why we have paint and 0 or location and 0. We are saying grab this text and also put whatever this is equal to there. We're smashing it together. All right, that being said, I can get rid of my comment. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. All right, let's give it a quick test. But, well, that looks boring for now, but perfect. All right, let's get rid of this code and head on to the next adventure. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, yeah, we are good on the test. Cool. Onward.